Building a strong personal brand isn't just for influencers or CEOs. It's something everyone can do, no matter your field. In today's world, your personal brand is your reputation, and it can open doors to endless opportunities. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or looking to climb the corporate ladder, how you present yourself matters. So what are the key steps to create a brand that stands out and leaves a lasting impression? Let's dive into 5 powerful tips that can help you build a personal brand that lasts. 1. Define your unique value proposition, UVP. Your unique value proposition, UVP, is the heart of your personal brand. It's what makes you stand out and gives people a reason to choose you over others. Think about what you do best. What skills, experiences, or qualities make you different? Maybe you have a special talent, a unique perspective, or a combination of skills no one else offers. Once you've identified these, you can clearly communicate why people should trust or follow you. Your UVP isn't just a catchy slogan, it's the core of who you are. It tells the world what problem you solve and why you're the right person for the job. When you define this clearly, your brand starts to have a purpose. The more specific and honest you are, the more people will resonate with it and understand exactly what you bring to the table. 2. Consistency is key across all platforms. Consistency is essential when building a strong personal brand. Think of it like creating a logo for yourself. Whether it's your social media, website, or business card, your message and image should stay the same everywhere. If you change your tone, style, or message from platform to platform, it becomes harder for people to recognize and trust you. By maintaining a consistent presence, whether it's through your visuals, tone of voice, or values, you create a brand that's easy to remember and trust. People will know exactly what to expect from you, and that's how you build a strong, recognizable personal brand that stands out in a crowded space. 3. Show up as your authentic self. One of the most powerful ways to build a personal brand is by showing up as your authentic self. People don't connect with perfect images, they connect with real people. When you share your true story, your struggles, your wins, and your lessons learned, you create an emotional connection with your audience. It's about being honest and transparent, even when it's tough. Think about it. Who do you trust more? Someone who is always putting up a perfect front, or someone who admits their mistakes and shares their journey? Being authentic means embracing who you really are without pretending to be someone else. When you show up as your true self, it builds trust with your audience and allows you to attract the right people who genuinely relate to you. So, don't hide behind a mask. Let your personality, quirks, and values shine through. That's how you build a brand that's both memorable and meaningful. 4. Network and build relationships. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards or adding people on LinkedIn. It's about building real, meaningful relationships. Your personal brand grows when you connect with others, share ideas, and support each other. The goal is not just to talk about what you do, but to engage with others in a way that helps both parties grow. Relationships built on trust, respect, and genuine interest are much more valuable than transactional connections. Start by interacting with people who share your interests or goals, whether online or in person. Join communities, attend events, or simply reach out to someone you admire. Don't be afraid to ask questions, offer help, or share insights. Over time, these relationships can lead to collaborations, opportunities, and partnerships that strengthen your personal brand. Remember, your network is a reflection of your brand, so build it with care and intention. 5. Continuously evolve and adapt. Your personal brand shouldn't be set in stone. It needs to grow and evolve with you. As you gain new skills, experiences, or perspectives, your brand should reflect those changes. It's not about changing everything, but about adapting to stay relevant and authentic. For example, if you learn a new skill or take on a new project, share it with your audience. Let them see the journey of your growth. Listen to feedback from others and be open to improvement. Sometimes things may not go as planned, and that's okay. Evolving means being flexible and ready to adjust when needed. It keeps your brand fresh and in tune with the world around you. A personal brand that adapts to change is one that will continue to resonate with people and stay valuable over time. Keep evolving to stay ahead. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical advice on building your personal brand. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your brand grow. Stay tuned for more insights. Your journey to success is just beginning.